we're going to do some antiderivatives of the hyperbolic trig functions now. That means we'll be working the three derivatives we looked at in the last video in reverse. I think we should start with this one. We want to find the antiderivative of this. So what that's saying is we're going to be undoing chain rule. I'm going to notice the derivative of sine is cosine. We'll need to note that. And then I want to work in reverse of the hyperbolic sine. So that would mean I'm going to go back to a hyperbolic cosine. It's going to be a hyperbolic cosine. I'm going to keep my quantity of sine of x. I'm going to check the chain rule. The derivative we saw of sine is cosine. That means this is done. I can put the plus c on. Let's move over to the far right one. I'm working rule in reverse. I see the hyperbolic secant squared goes back to the hyperbolic tangent. So I'm going to have the hyperbolic tangent form of my quantity. And then we'll need to check the chain rule. Derivative of the quantity, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. It's precisely there. So we're finished with that one. One more here in the middle. I need to find something that has a hyperbolic cosine as its derivative. Well, if the derivative is hyperbolic cosine, it goes back to hyperbolic sine of the quantity at hand, which is x squared. But then I pause and consider what the derivative of x squared is, and it's 2x. I only see the x, the 2 is missing. See if I can remind you. That's when we divide by 2, because the 2 is missing, plus c. There you have it.